So if you were to summarize what those different colours and the proportions mean to you, could you just give me a little summary of what they represent about Katie Hart visually? Because I think if people haven't gone through your process, they may find it really hard to understand why that's so important.
They represent everything. It's just me. It's just me in three colours. The first colour was a sort of midnight blue, which represents credibility. It's the scientific basis of everything that I provide, everything that I convey, all the insights I try to share. But it's also quite a warm navy. So there is a warmth to it. I think sometimes science can feel quite cold, and it's important, as a result of a lot of the conversations we have, that there is a warmth and a depth to the shade of that navy. Layered over that, there is then a teal colour, which really is the everything is possible. It's much more about, I think it started off as a sort of blue sky thinking, but it brings in the communication element, which that sort of aqua tone that runs through it is very reinforcing of communication, which again is important to me in the fields where I operate. And those are almost about 50-50. So in terms of how they present, there is almost an equal split between the navy and the teal colour. And then there is this thing that we've referred to the whole way through as this sort of splash or this sprinkling of the gold colour, which is really about fun and about quirkiness and about being a bit more light-hearted. But it's also a celebratory colour. Obviously gold is, sort of award-winning, so it also includes that element of celebration and achievement throughout my career so far as well. So every time I just look at my website or my logo, I really get those three strong messages about science and the credibility, about how everything is possible, and also about having that fun along the way.